Well, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday, October 29th here in Maryland, and I'm looking at my backyard here in the woods a little bit, and I've got some problem trees here that I'm going to have a friend of mine take care of for me. His name's Ed Snyder. He's basically a tree problem solver. He'll come out and do a great job on your property to remove any unwanted trees or threatening trees in your area. So for today, what I've got is I've got 3 trees in my woods here that Ed's gonna just take down for me. I'm gonna go ahead and do the cleanup myself. But I've got this tree over here. He's a very tall, looks like a red oak of some type. He's probably a good 130 feet tall. Ed's going to go ahead and drop that one for me because this one died about 3 years ago, and I don't want it to, you know, fall back here unexpectedly. I also have another tree right here. It looks like another oak that's died, about the same height. And that one, you know, can fall either this way coming towards me or that way over there. So Ed's going to go ahead and drop that one for me. And I've got one other tree over here that is a threatening tree in my backyard area here in the woods. I don't want this tree to fall when, you know, I don't expect it. So it's this tree here. This one's died about 5 years ago here. And you can see it goes up. I believe he's an oak also. And Ed's going to go ahead and just drop it over there for me.
32 inch MS 500.
All right, and that,
Yeah.
I think the trees you're looking at today are
About maybe 30 inch.
okay.
DBH.
All right, so we're going to use your
This is a very versatile saw.
Saw,
I mean,
and-
yeah, you could go put a 24 inch bar on it.
okay.
A 32 inch is really, like, you know, for me, perfect.
Okay,
If I
and
go 3 foot. Yeah.
I think you told me, Ed, the one tree's got a nook in it up pretty high, and that's what we call what, a throw ball there? that
Yeah,
you're
this
gonna
is a
use?
throw line. So
Okay.
we're going to use this big shot here.
Oh wow!
It's nothing more than a big slingshot.
Is this what you and I were dreaming of when we were kids?
It is, exactly. It is, Joe. It is. So, you know, we would put our bag in the pouch there.
Yeah,
And really, they're very accurate.
very accurate.
Yeah, so I mean,
Alright.
myself, I could probably get up to, I mean, at least maybe 70 feet.
Really?
Maybe,
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
with accuracy.
yeah, and then these trees here are pushing what, 100, 120 feet, some of them.
Yeah, they're
you know,
every
so-
bit of 100
Yeah,
feet
yeah.
there.
Okay.
Um,
Okay, let's
Yeah.
see how it goes.
the oak on the left, we're going to most likely drop without a rope because
Right.
it has a very obvious lean. The top is heavy in the direction of the woods. So
So-
I feel pretty confident about that. The second tree straight ahead down here, that would probably go without a rope, but it does have sort of a slight lean towards your shed over here. So
Right.
we're not going to take any chances, and we're
Right.
going to put a hand line
So-
in it just to make certain that it comes this direction.
All right, so safety is key, not just
Oh,
for you
absolutely.
and your crew, but also your customers and all. So
Absolutely, safety first. You
Okay.
know, we're in no rush. You know, we got to take the time and
There you go.
evaluate our work,
right.
you know, beforehand.
So I imagine one thing you have to be dependent on is the weather. You don't want to be out on a windy day or, you know, a rainy,
No,
muddy
we
day,
don't.
that kind of thing. So,
Yeah.
but other than that, you know, somebody calls you up, you're going to be like, hey, let's look at the weather and set an appointment that works for
I mean,
everybody.
You know, depending on your jobs, you have jobs, you know, maybe small pruning jobs that could be ideal. You know, if we have, let's say, 20-mile-an-hour winds.
All right, I'm going to take a peek at your other saws here.
Okay.
They look
Well,
pretty cool.
Yeah, not a whole lot there. If I known you was going to get my saws, we could have brought all of them. And
No,
really made
it's
it look
okay.
good.
So
But,
these are your go-to saws. So you're a steel man, I guess,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So it's good to always have a spare at least. I see
It
you got
is,
some
absolutely.
climbing
You know,
ropes
a
there.
second sharp saw on the job, and, you know, so forth.
Yeah, nice. And I imagine, I think I heard one of the fellows said you had the chain sharpened up before you come out to a job, so
Yeah, we
remove
always
all
try to
risk.
be-
And
we always try to, you know, prepare beforehand. You know, sometimes we get a little busy and stuff. You get in later in the evening and you're not able, you know, to prepare like
Right.
you would hope to for the next day. But it all works out.
there you go.
Yep.
All right.
if I would have pulled that, I don't know if you was watching up there, how all the dead
Oh
suckers
yeah,
broke
those
off.
suckers.
Now it's down in there, you're good. That's why I refused to pull it down while I was on the suckers, because it could have further jammed it up more.
Gotcha.
Maybe, maybe not. So I didn't take the chance and I just walked it down.
Perfect, Ed. Perfect, Ed.
Well, I should have left my notch like it was, a little more that way
Nope.
than what I wanted.
No, that's perfect.
That's good. We're all good.
Just leave it there. I'll take care of the rest.
All good.
Yeehaw.
You're good. Ready?
All right, made that look real easy, dude.
It's all in the saw, I promise.
Yeah, I don't know about
only
that.
as sharp as his tool.
Yeah. Nice work, Ed.
Thank you, Joe. Very good. Okay. All right, so for anybody that may have a tree that they feel may potentially pose threat to their home, please give us a call. Be glad to come out, do a free overall evaluation, starting with the health of the trees, overall structural integrity of the tree, and we'll give you recommendations from there.
All right.
Excuse me. Just came up a big hill.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm, free tree evaluation and written estimates. That's Snyders Quality Tree Care.
Montage.